Here's the uncomfortable truth about AI productivity tools in 2025. Most of you are using them completely wrong. While 71% of organizations now use generative AI regularly, the majority are barely scratching the surface of what's possible. Today, I'm sharing the tools that actually move the needle, plus 3 controversial takes that might completely change how you think about AI at work. First controversial take, and this might trigger some people, ChatGPT isn't the best AI productivity tool anymore. I know it's popular, but hear me out. The real game changers in 2025 are specialized tools that integrate directly into your workflow. Take Notion AI. It doesn't just chat with you. It lives inside your workspace, automatically organizing your notes, generating project templates, and turning messy brainstorms into structured action plans. Or consider Claude, which excels at long-form analysis and can process entire documents while maintaining context. But here's where most people mess up their AI strategy. The biggest productivity gains come from AI tools that eliminate context switching. Zapier's AI automation now connects over 7,000 apps, meaning you can create workflows like, when I get an important email, summarize it, check my calendar, and draft 3 possible responses. Microsoft Power Automate has become surprisingly powerful. It can watch your documents, detect patterns in your work, and proactively suggest automations. We're talking about AI that learns your habits and builds shortcuts before you even realize you need them. And this leads me to controversial take number 2, which is going to ruffle some feathers. AI isn't making us more productive, it's making us more lazy, and that's actually a good thing. Let me explain before you click away. The McKinsey 2025 report found that only 1% of companies have reached AI maturity. But here's the kicker. Employees are moving faster than leadership realizes. Executives think only 4% of workers use AI for 30% of their daily tasks, but the real number is 13%. We're already becoming dependent on AI, and I think we should embrace it. Tools like Otter.ai for meeting transcription, Grammarly Go for writing, and Reclaim AI for calendar management aren't just helping us, they're replacing entire cognitive processes. And that's freeing up mental energy for higher-level thinking. Now let me share the AI tools that nobody talks about, but are absolute game changers. Descript lets you edit video by editing text, delete words to cut video sections. It's revolutionizing content creation. Loom's AI features now generate video titles, descriptions, and chapters automatically. And here's one most people miss. Perplexity Pro isn't just a search engine. It's become my research assistant that cites sources and builds comprehensive reports. For project management, Motion's AI scheduling is like having a personal assistant who knows exactly how long your tasks take and automatically reorganizes your day when things run over. Here's controversial take number 3, and this one's going to be divisive. The best AI productivity strategy isn't about finding the perfect tool. It's about becoming an AI prompt engineer at your own job. Most people are using AI like it's Google. They're not. The productivity superstars I know have learned to speak AI's language. They're crafting detailed prompts, setting up systematic workflows, and treating AI tools like highly skilled but very literal employees. They're getting 10x results, not because they found secret tools, but because they learn to communicate with AI effectively. For example, instead of asking ChatGPT, write me an email, they're saying, act as a senior marketing manager, writing to a hesitant client who's concerned about budget. Use a consultative tone, address their cost concerns directly, and include 3 specific value propositions. Keep it under 150 words, and end with a soft call to action. But here's what the productivity gurus won't tell you. AI tools can also become productivity theater. I've seen people spend more time setting up AI workflows than they would have spent just doing the work manually. The key is identifying your actual bottlenecks, not just automating everything because you can. Track your time for a week. Find the tasks that drain your energy or eat up hours. Those are your AI targets. For most people, it's email management, meeting summaries, first draft writing, and data analysis. Focus there first. So here's how to actually implement this stuff without overwhelming yourself. Start with one AI tool per major workflow. If you spend hours in meetings, start with Otter.ai, AI, or Zoom's AI summary features. If writing is your bottleneck, begin with Grammarly Go or Claude. If task management is chaos, try Motion or Reclaim AI. The mistake most people make is trying to AI-ify everything at once. Pick one area, master it completely, then expand. The McKinsey data shows that successful AI adoption happens in focused waves, not scattered experiments. Look, AI productivity tools in 2025 aren't just nice-to-haves anymore. They're competitive advantages. While others are drowning in busy work, you can be focusing on strategy, creativity, and the stuff that actually moves the needle. What's your biggest productivity bottleneck right now? Drop it in the comments, and I'll suggest the specific AI tool that can help. And if you found this useful, subscribe. I'm covering the tools and strategies that are actually working in the real world, not just the hype. Next week, I'm revealing the AI writing techniques that most content creators don't want you to know. It's going to be controversial, but it might just transform your entire content strategy.